ఇట్లా పోయింది ఇట్లా కూర్చుని అంతే.
రైట్. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం బైనామియల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్లో థీరమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసినాం, ప్రాబ్లమ్ డిస్కస్ చేసినాం ఐ థింక్ సో. దెన్ recurrence relation for moments in binomial distribution. Recurrence relation for moments in binomial distribution. Generally, recurrence relation for moments in binomial distribution. The most important terminology. So here, the PMF of probability mass function. The PMF of binomial distribution is given by P of x is equal to NCx P power x and Q power n minus x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on n, and 0 less than or equal to P and less than or equal to 1, Q equal to 1 minus P, and Q plus P is equal to 1. And in this, the relation between moments and expectations. The relation between moments and expectations. Is given by expectation of x minus expectation of x whole power r. Expectation of x minus expectation of x whole power r is equal to mu r is equal to, and in this we can write expectation of x is equal to in binomial distribution np. That means mu r is equal to expectation of x minus np and whole power r ga consider chestuntam. And also here we can write the summation. This is the we can consider as a x ga consider cheste expectation of x avutundi. So binomial distribution probability mass function అని అంటే we can consider as a discrete, and discrete అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి summation x equal to 0 to n, and we can write x minus np power r and p of x. p of x గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం, and p of x is equal to, we can write summation x equal to 0 to n and x minus np power r and p of x అంటే ncx and p power x and q power 1 minus n minus x, and here q equal to, we can write 1 minus p whole power n minus x గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం, and also we can write the derivation part. So in this, p is the parameter in binomial distribution differentiating with respect to p. Differentiating with respect to p. So therefore we can write mu r is equal to d by dp summation x minus np power r and ncx and p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x గా తీసుకుంటాం. In this term, ncx is the constant by out of the derivation differentiating ncx d by dp summation x is equal to 0 to n, summation also constant, summation x is equal to 0 to n and ncx d by dp, and we can write x minus np whole power x and p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x, and this term is u and this term is v. uv method, we can construct uv method. UV method we can construct. So first UV method is equal to u into dv plus v into du. So in this manner we can write mu r is equal to summation x equal to 0 to n and ncx. UV method, first u is x minus np power r and u v is d by dp of p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x plus v p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x, and also d by dp of u minus np power r. And in this manner here also u and v method, ఇక్కడ కూడా u and v method యూజ్ చేస్తాం, and we can write summation x equal to 0 to n ncx and here x minus np power r, and ఇక్కడ uv method లో p power x and n minus x into 1 minus p whole power n minus x minus 1 plus v is 1 minus p and n minus x into p power n x minus 1 plus we can write the p power x and 1 minus p power n minus x and derivation of r into x minus np, and also we can write minus p with respect to p ఉంది కాబట్టి we can write the minus n. Write the minus n. Summation x equal to 0 to n ncx of, we can write here first term x minus np power x, and we can common the term is in this manner. Common term is p power x 1 minus p and n minus x is the common term. N minus x is the common term, and remaining term చూసుకుంటే minus of n minus x by 1 minus p and plus x by p is the term, and also here minus term ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ minus nr of you can write x minus np and here p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x. And here we can write summation x equal to 0 to n and ncx. You can write the same step here, x minus np power r and p power x and 1 minus p power n minus x, and in this term we can LCM is p into 1 minus p, and here minus n minus, you can write p into, and here np minus np and plus xp, you can write minus np plus px plus x and minus xp. These terms are get cancelled. Minus n into r x minus np p power x and 1 minus p n minus x. So we can apply the summation and ncx to the terminology. Summation x equal to 0 to n and ncxi of, we can write the x minus np power r and p power r, so p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x, and we can write here x minus np power p into 1 minus p and minus of nr minus of nr minus of nr summation x equal to 0 to n and ncxi ncx. You can write the term is x minus np and p of x 1 minus p n minus x. In this terminology, we can write summation x equal to 0 to n and x minus np power r ncx and p power x 1 minus p n minus x. You can write x minus np p 1 minus p minus of n r summation x equal to 0 to n x minus np and ncx and p power x 1 minus p n minus x. And in this term you can identify the binomial distribution ncx p power x 1 minus p whole power n minus x. These are the binomial theorem, and finally we can directly write in this term ఇక్కడ మనకు 1 by p into 1 minus p is the constant term కాబట్టి 1 by p into 1 minus p summation x equal to 0 to n and x minus np power r minus 1. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి బేస్ లిక్వైడ్ అండ్ ఈ టర్మినాలజీ అనేది యాడ్ అవుతాయి. ఇది ద ప్లస్ 1 గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం. అండ్ ncx అండ్ p పవర్ x 1 minus p and n minus x minus nr summation x equal to 0 to n x minus np ncx and p power x 1 minus p n minus x n minus x. In this terminology we have a formulas. And we have a terminology is mu mu r plus 1 is equal to mu r plus 1 is equal to summation x equal to 0 to n x minus np power r plus 1 ncx p power x and 1 minus p whole power n minus x. అంటే ఈ టర్మినాలజీ, this is the formula. Next, mu r minus 1 is equal to, we can write summation x equal to 0 to n x minus np, and this term is r minus 1. r minus 1. So ఇక్కడ r minus 1 n c x and p power x and 1 minus p power n minus x గా తీసుకుంటాం. Finally, you can write mu r is equal to 1 by p into 1 minus p is equal to mu r plus 1 minus mu r minus 1 nr into mu r minus 1 గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుందాం. These are the formulas of equations. And finally, d by dp of mu r is equal to, you can write 1 by p into 1 minus p mu r plus 1 minus nr and mu r minus 1. This is the recurrence moments, and also you can write this n terminology going to get in this, and we can write 1 by p into 1 minus p mu r plus 1 is equal to we can write d by dp mu r plus n into r mu r minus 1, and ఈ వాల్యూస్ అటు వెళ్ళిపోతే we can write mu r plus 1 is equal to we can write p into 1 minus p d by dp mu r plus nr mu r minus 1, and mu r plus 1 is equal to p into q, this term is q, and d by dp mu r plus nr mu r minus 1. This is the recurrence property. This is the problem of recurrence. and thank you.